once again. This is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. And I wanted to bring you out a video of my updated horror section in my man cave. I have been working hard on this. As you know, I do go to a lot of horror cons like Monster Mania, Creature Features in Gettysburg, some in Maryland. I go to some sci-fi cons, different kind of cons, fan cons, and I collect autographs, and I have mask autographed, 8x10 photos of actors and actresses, and I also collect NECA and Mego action figures, and sometimes I might take them, my future plans, take them and get some of them autographed if I like meet a Michael Myers or a Jason from Halloween, or even one of the actors from other things that I've collected. Like I've got some over there of NECA of Back to the Future. So if Christopher Lloyd or one of those guys comes, I might have them autograph those. But I did want to bring you an update on this. I've been working hard on it. So this won't be a very long video, but I will show you what I have so far. So I go to Walmart and I buy these 3 bookshelves, or 2 shelf bookcases, and I put my action figures on those. And then I've hung some more horror film autographs and bought a couple things at the horror cons that I like. So I will go ahead and show you what I have. So like I said, this is an update. So I finally got my canvas hung, and on that is from Children of the Corn, and I had the characters Isaac and Malachi autograph it, but I was lucky when I went to that because the director was also there and I had him sign that. So I've got that hung up there. I have some new autographs, like from Army of the Dead, and these 2 actors and actresses, and Lost Boys here. I got to meet Alex Winter. He's a really nice guy, so I got his autograph. And then of course this is my Ash versus Evil Dead section. I got some of my action figures there. But I have my Friday the 13th section, and I do have different autographs here. Adrian King, Amy Steele, different people who played in Friday the 13th. I also found this neat art print that I bought off an artist at one of the cons of Jason. And then of course I have my mask up here. That's the first Jason. That's Ari Lehman. And then I have the second Jason. I like to call him the Hillbilly Jason, Warrington Gillett, who played him. And then of course I got Keith Hodder. I got Hodder, who played Jason in part 7, 8, 9, and 10. And Mr. Hodder also played on an Ed Gein movie, so he does a lot of horror films. So yeah, Kane Hodder, I'm sorry, I pronounced his name wrong. Mr. Kane Hodder, he's one of the well-known Jasons, because he did 4 movies. And then I have my little sign here of Camp Blood that I bought when I was doing the tour of Camp Blood. And then these are really neat. I got these up at the last con, and they're basically like, I don't know, styrofoam printed. But I thought they were really neat. I got a few different ones, but that's the Jason one I got. There's a autograph from 2 actors that played in the movie Christine. I'm hoping you're seeing this because it is kind of dingy and dark in here. And then I have my Leatherface mask signed by 2 different Leatherface characters that played Leatherface. There's another one of those signs I got. This is my Halloween section, and I have 2 Halloween masks signed by a lot of the important Michael Myers, well-known, Don Shack. I've got James Jude Courtney's autograph. a couple of the stuntmen, like Aaron, who played one of the stunt coordinators, Nick Castle, um, different ones that played Michael Myers. And then of course I got the new Dr. Loomis. I can't remember his last name. His first name's James. Uh, he looks a lot like the original Dr. Loomis, and he's the new one in the flashback in Halloween Kills. And then there's another art print from the same artist that I got the one from Jason, and it says the night he came home. And then I got more Halloween autographs. I got the sheriff, and I got Nancy Loomis, who played Jamie Lee Curtis's friend in the first Halloween, and that was her dad, the sheriff. Danielle Harris, which played Jamie as a little girl, says he'll never die. And then of course I got some other actresses that played like in Halloween 4, the two main characters in Halloween 3. So I do have quite the collection. And then I got Eileen Diaz, Carolyn Williams also played in Halloween. And then over here I got a couple female actresses who played in Freddy Krueger movies. Along with that, I got a Reagan stand-up that I bought. And then there's my Jeepers Creepers mask, which is autographed. And then, of course, I got Robert Englund's autograph right there on the Freddy Krueger mask. So I have added to my horror section. And then I wanted to show you this little canoe here is also autographed by Adrienne King. It says James, then he's still there. So use my name, and her character's name was Alice. She was in the first one. So a little update there, and here's my action figures. I got NECA. I've got the Ultimate Jason, Friday the 13th Part 2, Part 3 in 3D, Part 7, and then I've got the Trick or Treat figure, Michael Myers, 2 figures of them, the Grady twins, and Reagan. And I also collect die-cast cars of them. I got the Ghostbusters car and the Gran Torino from Starsky and Hutch movie. I still got more to buy more shelves, because over here I do have more die-cast cars that I got to display, and I haven't been able to do that yet. And then over here I got my Halloween figures, the Ultimate Michael Myers, the Ultimate Laura Strauss, what is this, Jamie Lee Curtis. I've got Halloween 2 figure. So you can see I got quite the collection. King Kong, I got Freddy Krueger, Annabelle, some Gremlins figures. I got more die-cast cars down there, Back to the Future and Freddy Krueger's car. Then I have, along with my Planet of the Apes, I have Spock and the Bob Ross from NECA. Down here I have Terminator series. And then I got Back to the Future series too, of Marty and Doc and Biff and different characters. And a couple more cars down there. So yeah, I'm planning on getting at least 4 more of these shelves. I'll put one here and one over here. Then I got room for one more here and one over here to put more figures on. Now these are all the figures I own at the time, but I will be buying more at the cons. NECA is really good at finding them at Walmart. Sometimes you'll find them cheap. And Target carries a lot of NECA figures. And the Mego figures, which I like this one of Spock. There's some more of my Planet of the Apes figures. And then once I'm kind of running out of room to put my autographs on the wall, I got a few more spaces. I maybe can hang a couple more over there, and one here, and then a couple maybe right there, and that'll be about it on my horror section. But I'm going to continue to go to the cons. I'm pretty happy because they announced the next Monster Mania in March at Cherry Hill, New Jersey. I'm going to, that they're bringing Mr. Riggs, who plays Carl in Walking Dead, and I missed the opportunity to get his autograph, so I want to get it. And hopefully they'll bring out some new people that I don't mind repeat of people, because I can get more autographs of the same people, but it's always nice to have new people at these cons. And then I'm going to have to just put my autographs like this in a folder. I'll show you some of the other ones I have. I just wish I could display them all, but I really can't. I got Georgie from It. Characters, Hawk and Jimmy and stuff from Karate Kid and Cobra Kai. So these are all people. Bobby, the character Bobby. There's Candyman, Tony Todd, got his autograph. And then the movie from the 90s, which was called Monster Squad. I got a few of the characters from that to autograph me some pictures. There's another character. Then I got the Mummy. He was a really nice guy. I got to meet him. Really, really cool. Talked to me for a long time. Really nice guy. And then the Wolfman from the Monster Squad. The girl actor named Lisa. Patricia from Monster Squad. Then I got Christina Ricci, who played in Casper and the Addams Family. More Cobra Kai. Then I've got some other things here. I got a scene from Friday the 13th that was a restaurant scene in a building that I went to. It's now a gift shop, and that's where I bought my Camp Blood sign when I was doing filming sites. Then Adrienne King's really nice. I like her. I talk to her about it every con I go to, and she gives me personalized autographs sometimes. And she sells wine, her own wine brand. I always give her a new marker, a paint marker for autographs, and she always gives me a personal autograph. It's just a thing we have that we share. And of course I got Richard Dreyfuss from Jaws, which is a good autograph. There's another autograph from Adrienne that she gave me, just a personal one for free. So yeah, I'm gonna have to display a lot of my autographs in books like this, because like I said, I'm running out of room. But I think I'm pretty happy with the way this came out, and I just wanted to share this with you. And of course I have all my other autographs. I got my Planet of the Apes over here. I've got most of the actors and actresses from the original all the way up to the new ones. I've got some actual memorabilia from Tim Burton's 2001 Planet of the Apes, actual worn costumes, and a face piece, latex piece that was used for Roddy McDowall's character. And you know, I got my mob stuff over here, and my Goodfellas autographs, Robert De Niro and Joe Pesci and all the actors that played. I got my Walking Tall section, and you know, it's our home theater, but I've got a lot of Hollywood down here since it is a home theater. But hope you've enjoyed this update. Like I said, this is just a short video to let you know and show you what I've done thus far with my room, and I think it come out pretty good. So if you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel, Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures on YouTube. Also, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions of other videos and things you would like to see in the future. And if I can, I surely will try to film that for you. And please share this video and my YouTube channel with other friends and people you know who might like this kind of stuff. And until then, you know, go out and have your own adventures and enjoy life, and do what you want to do, and just enjoy life. You know, you only live once. So till next time, this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Goodbye. So as you can see, I have quite the autographs for my collection. But I hope you enjoyed this short blog of my updated things of my autographs and stuff down there. And this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. And I hope you'd enjoyed this blog today. If you watch this, please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions of other things you'd like to see me do in the future, and I'll try to get to that. Hit the notification bell to let you know when there's a new video uploaded. Until then, you know, just go out and have your own adventures and enjoy life, because life's short. And until next time, this is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Goodbye.